Alright, so this is the shaft that broke. Broke under the sprocket of the other side. So my thing is I'm actually going to weld this hole shut just to give the weld a little strength. It's not going to be strong enough, and it's just going to have to work until I get a new shaft in. That's Sammy. So this is the axle out of Argo, the orange Argo. You can see we've got a problem here. I don't know why that's happening, but it's weakening the axle, which worries me. I don't need another broken axle. Just an idea. That's the size of the axle and bearing in Turtle, the green Argo. This is the bearing that I've retrofitted to go into Argo. Hopefully it'll stop them from breaking. Okay, so it's done. As you can see, I've kind of recessed a lot of the areas in this, and that's just because I didn't want to bulge there that I couldn't get the stuff on because it's a pretty tight fit. So the bearings and the sprockets and such. The reason why it broke is there's one of these holes here, it's just not strong enough. So I decided that I was going to fill in this hole to give additional strength. We're going to have one pin, and that way, instead of the axle breaking, hopefully they'll just snap off that pin, and that's a lot easier to fix than an axle. So, and there's Sammy. And then this is Argo. Pardon the sniffle. So we've got the new mount in. I welded up for it, and I think it should be strong enough. Definitely a beefier bearing, which I love. Hopefully that's going to solve it. We'll see though. Okay, axle in. Axle in. You can see there's not a hole there anymore, and that's very much so because I didn't drill one, because that's where I welded. There's Sammy. I went for safety, strength over that. We still have one pin on the other side, so if it breaks a pin, who cares, since this is not axle. Alright, axle is in. That's what she's supposed to look like. Kind of like the other one. There's Sammy. Oh.